Dear students, a very delightful good morning to all of you. Myself Sunil Singh is going to teach you some mathematical parts, which is the fourth part of my video, and this is the exercise 3 of standard 5. Definitely, I hope that you have gained some knowledge in my previous video, but it is necessary to you all that you will study at your home very proper way with routine, and enjoy with all the subjects what's videos were provided to you and are provided to you. When you will not grasp something what we send to you, definitely we can know ourselves very failure. So success and unsuccess both are in your hands, and I expect you to make a success. Study regular at your home under the guidance of your respectful guardians. Here see exercise 3 of standard 5. First question, write the successor and predecessor of the following numerals. It may be possible that successor and predecessor are the two words. It may be the new for you, but definitely for successor you have already studied in previous classes after number, and for predecessor you have already studied in previous classes before number. बाद में आने वाली संख्या सक्सेसर, पहले आने वाली संख्या प्रीडिसेसर. So one example for you, A for 1, the successor of 10,62,099. Only we increased this number by 1. It means when we add 1 with the number, what we get, that will be the successor, 10,62,100. The predecessor of 10,62,099. Let's subtract 1 from the given number. We get the predecessor. It means reduced 1 by the given number. We get the predecessor. Then predecessor of 10,62,099 is 10,62,098. See one example for you. The successor of 70 crore will be, the successor of 70 crore will be 70 crore plus 1. It means 70 crore is increased by 1, and that will make here 70 crore 1. And the predecessor of 70 crore will be 70 crore minus 1 equal to 69 crore 99,99,999. This will be the predecessor. It means reduced by 1. From 70 crore it become 69 crore 99,99,999. 2. Fill in the boxes with greater or shorter. This is the mark of greater. This is the mark of shorter. It means where there you get the joint, these two curved line, that side, if the number comes, that will be a smaller number, and where the sign opened mark, there will come the greater number. Simple way. See, G given 17,69,053. 17 crore 69,53,412. This side given 17 crore 69,23,712. When we observe it properly, we get that 53,000, whereas 23,000. So we can say this number is greater than this number, and we use this symbol open to put open mouth towards the greater number. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order, gradually increased one by one. It means बढ़ता हुआ क्रम. So in ascending order, when we go to write the numbers, we write first the smallest one, and thereafter we write consecutively the greater one. See one example for you, that is D of 3. D of 3, if you will observe properly, you will get that this number is a smallest number in the all given numbers, because 15, 19, 19, 19 at the last place. Observe 15, 19, 19, 16. 32 crore 15 lakh 94,584. We write in such way. Again observe this 19, 19, 16. 32 crore 16 lakh 93,475 is the second one. Third one 32, 19, 32, 19, 94,49. It means this number is smaller than this number. So we write first this number 32 crore 19 lakh 49,642, and at last we write the largest number, that is 32 crore 19 lakh 94,365. 4. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means we can write consecutively in decreasing order. Decreasing order means घटता हुआ क्रम. It means at first we write the greatest number and thereafter consecutively we write the numbers which are comes in decreasing order. So see one example for you. See in descending order. Observe which number is greatest number. And definitely when we observe this number is the smallest one. So observe these three numbers. In these three numbers at lakhs place we get 63 lakh. That will be greatest number. So we write 14 crore 63 lakh 85,906. Thereafter it 14 36 85 14 36 85, but here 096, here 906. This number comes 14 crore 36 lakh 85,906. Thereafter 14 crore 36 lakh 85,096. Thereafter we will write the smallest one, that is 9 crore 48 lakh 36,971. Form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers with. Greatest 8-digit numbers. See here in A there are given 8 digits. We can easily write the greatest number using these all digits. First we write the greatest one, that is 9. Thereafter decreasing one, that is 8. Thereafter 7. Thereafter 5. Thereafter 4. Thereafter 2. Thereafter 1. Thereafter 0. We are here solving this question and get this number using the 8 digits what are given in A of 5, that is 9 crore 87 lakh 54,210. The smallest 8-digit number using the given digits. Write C, which is the smallest digit in spite of 0, that is 1. Then write 0 and then write the digits in increasing order 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and in such way we can find out the smallest number using these all 8 digits. See the next 5. Next example for you. See question number F of 5, given digit 9, 4 and 6. Greatest 8-digit number. We have to use these 3 digits to get the greatest 8-digit number. So in which 9 is the greatest digit in these 3 digits, 9, 6 and 4. So we write 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 6. Thereafter 6, 4. This will be the greatest 8-digit number. A smallest 8-digit number, which is the smallest number in 4, 6, 6, 4 and 9, 6, 4 and 9, 9, 4 and 6, definitely that digit is 4. So write first 4 and thereafter put 50 and then put 6 and 9. This will be the smallest 8-digit number using 4, 6 and 9. 6. Round off the following as directed. Nearest 1000. For it very simple. We see which digit comes at the place of 100. When we need to find out nearest 1000, we observe which digit comes at the place of 100. 6. If their given digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, the digit which comes at the place of 1000 is increased by 1. Same as rounded value of 72,16,643 to the nearest 1000. 6 here, so we increased this 6 by 1, 7. And if there here comes below 5, it means 4, 3, 2, 1, the number remain here, the number remain directly here, not changed. So 72,17,000, rounded value of 58,369 to the nearest 10,000. See 1000 place 8, that is bigger than 5, so 5 is increased by 1 and that will be 6. Then the rounded number will be 60,000. Rounded value of 79,50,869 to the nearest 10 lakh. 10 lakh, at 10 lakh place 7 comes, at lakhs place 9. 9, so 7 increase, 9 is greater than 5, so 7 increased by 1 and that will be 80 lakh. Rounded value of rounded value of 79,50,869 to the nearest 10 lakh will be 80 lakh. Rounded value of 4,78,216 to nearest lakh, at the 10,000th place the digit comes which is 7 greater than 5, so 4 is increased by 1 and here it will be 5 lakh. And in the such way you may solve all the given questions. 7. Round off 86 crore 54 lakh 92,607 the nearest 10. The nearest 10, it means at one's place what comes? 7, that is more than 5, that is greater than 5, so here 0 increased by 1 and so here it become 10. To the nearest 100, you will write in such way, not write what I wrote here. In such way you won't write, you will write all the questions separately. Rounded value of 86 crore 54 lakh 92,607 to the nearest 10. Again you will write rounded value of 86 crore 54 lakh 92,607 to the nearest 100. Right, in such way you will write 100 at tens place 0 comes, so this 6 will not be increased and remain in such way that 86 crore 54 lakh 92,600 nearest 1000 at 100 place there comes digit 6, so 2 increased by 1 and that here become 93,000 and remain digit we write in the form of what are given. Nearest 10,000, for nearest 10,000 observe 1000 place number 2, that is smaller than 5, so the digit which comes at 10,000 place will not be changed, and so we write 86 crore 54 lakh 90,000. Question number E. To the nearest lakh. For lakh we will observe which digit comes at place 10,000, definitely 9, that is greater than 5, so here it will be changed and that 4 becomes 5, so 86 crore 55 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh. For nearest 10 lakh observe which digit comes at lakhs place 4, so 5 will not increased by 1, it remain constant, so it becomes 86 crore 50 lakh. To the nearest crore G. See here number. For crore place we will observe which digit comes at lakhs place 5 equal to 5, so this 6 increased by 1, this 6 increased by 1 and when it increased by 1 it becomes 7, so it becomes here 87 crore. C. H. Nearest 10 crore. For 10 crore we observe which digit comes at the place of crore. Definitely we can say that 6 comes. 6 is more than 5, so 8 increased by 1 and that becomes here 9, so it becomes 90 crore. I hope that you will observe properly, and if you have any type of problem you may contact or consult in your school. Thank you. Have a great day ahead with great blessing to you, and I also expect that you will study at your home with routine under the guidance of your guardians. Thank you very much.